Now first one we will take concave mirror. Now this concave mirror is made by silvering the outer surface, or you can say it's a bulging surface. So we have made the outer surface silvered, clear, and piece of this hollow surface. That means this outer surface or this piece of concave mirror is a part of the hollow sphere such that the reflection will take place from this inner surface. This is your inner surface or hollow surface. This is your reflecting surface. Here the reflection will take place. These are your light ray. The light ray will fall on this hollow surface and the reflection will take place from this hollow surface. This is your concave mirror. Now next one is your second one is your convex mirror. Clear? This is your convex mirror. Now this convex mirror is made by silvering the hollow surface. Hollow means inner surface. Clear? And the reflection will take place from this outer surface. This is your outer surface or bulging surface of convex mirror. And the light will fall on the outer surface or the bulging surface and the reflection will take place from this surface. Clear? Now we will see what is the difference between a concave mirror and a convex mirror. So this is your concave mirror and this is your convex mirror. Now the first point, this concave mirror is made by silvering the outer surface. So you have silvered the outer surface of this hollow sphere, hollow glass sphere. So the reflection will take place from this inner. So from here the reflection will take place. Now in case of convex mirror, it is made silver inner surface. So this inner surface is made silver of this hollow, from this hollow part, and the reflection will take place from the outer surface or the bulging surface. Second difference, this concave mirror image is real as well as virtual also. So when you will do the ray diagram, so you will see real image will also be formed, and in some other position of object, virtual image will also be formed. In case of convex mirror, the image will always virtual. For all the position of the object in front of the convex mirror, the image will be virtual. Third difference, the light ray always incident on it. On it means concave mirror will converge after reflection. Clear? And in case of convex, the light ray incident on it diverge after reflection. Fourth point, object away from C. If the object C means center of curvature, then the image will be diminished. Diminished means small in size. If the object is at center of curvature, the image will be of same size. But if the image is within the center of curvature, the image will be magnified. Magnified means bigger as compared to the size of the object. And in convex mirror, image is always diminished, smaller in size for all the position of the object in front of a convex mirror. Now we will see how this concave mirror is acting as a converging mirror. So this is your concave mirror, and if the light ray incident, this is a light ray, parallel light rays are incident on the hollow surface or inner surface. So after reflection, what will happen? After reflection, they all will meet at a point. They are converging at a point. So this concave mirror is also known as converging mirror, or it converges the incident ray. Next, for the convex. Now for the convex mirror, if the incident ray falls after reflection, they will all diverge. That means they will all move away from each other. They will not meet. But if you produce behind the mirror, they appears to meet at a point. That's why this mirror is known as the diverging mirror. And that's why in the third point it is written that it diverges after reflection. That means incident ray which fall on the convex mirror diverge after reflection. Now we will see the uses of spherical mirror. So first, uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror are used as a shaving mirror. Clear? They are used for the shaving mirror so that we keep our face very close to the mirror. And the reasoning related why concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror will do after doing the ray diagram. So you just learn it just now. Uses of concave mirror is as a shaving mirror. Second use is, so they are used as a reflector where in torch, searchlight, headlight of car. Clear? Third, they are used as a dentist head mirror. Now uses of convex mirror. Where convex mirror are used, first as a reflector in street lamp. Second, as a rear view mirror. Clear? Last third one, thief detector. You have to learn the uses, and with the uses we will do the reasoning related to all these uses of convex and concave. Clear? But after practicing the ray diagram.